In this video, I'll show you how to reset Windows 11 without losing your personal data. If you're running into issues with your PC but don't want to lose your files, this method is exactly what you need. Let's get started. Click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. In the Settings menu, select System from the left-hand side. Then scroll down and click on Recovery. Under Recovery Options, look for Reset this PC and click the Reset PC button next to it. A new window will appear with two options. Choose Keep My Files. This option will remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files safe. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose Local Reinstall to use files already on your device, or another option if preferred. For this example, we'll go with Local Reinstall. After that, review your current settings and click Next. If everything looks good, click Reset to begin the process. Your PC will restart and begin resetting. This may take some time, so be patient while it completes. And that's it, you've successfully reset Windows 11 without losing your data. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful guides.